Hey everyone, how's it going? Adiv back here with GeniiData's flow dashboard. So the previous video we went over the Bitcoin and ETH unusual volume, and then we went over the alts unusual volume. As you can see, we still have the filters in place here. Filters they stick no matter what happens, which is an awesome feature we have part of this tool. We're going to be going over important indicators as well that are displayed on flow dashboard. So we'll kick off with climatic up and down movement. I also wanted to kind of point out this. I can move this around, which is freaking awesome. I can move this around here, move this down there. However I think the most important indicators are for me, I can move it around. So yeah, let's go over climatic up-down move. The climatic up-down refers to a sudden significant increase in buying or selling activity, which is a really important aspect of this tool, of this whole flow trading tool. For instance, when a climatic down signal is generated, it suggests that there has been a significant increase in selling activity, which can indicate that the market is oversold and due for a rebound. That's a great thing to look at. This can present a buying opportunity for traders who are looking to enter in the market at a lower price. As you can see here, that's like the holistic view of what this tool can bring. But now let's look at the most important thing, which is percentage change. So this percentage change is the difference between the current price and the open price of a particular asset, let's say Pepe in this instance, from the particular time frame that we're seeing it in. So we see a pretty substantial rise in Pepe, 5%, in just a 5-minute time frame. So that's the climatic up and down. We can change here all the different filters relevant to it. So the price movement, current price of it, and then we can also use the cumulative volume index, which is a common theme, a part of the whole tool we have here. Now we'll move over to the VWAP. VWAP is a technical indicator. If you're a trader or anything, you might use a VWAP, and a VWAP is a very popular indicator. It's a volume weighted average price, what it stands for, and it's a trading metric that calculates the average price of a security, or let's say based on the volume of the price in trades. So it's commonly used by traders to analyze the intraday price movement of an asset to identify potential buying or selling opportunities. So we see here, we have different indicators here, which is the trend. We have the price, which is similar across all. So the only difference from the VWAP to the climatic up and down move, as far as the relevant metrics to look at, is the percentage change and the trend. That's the biggest difference from VWAP and climatic up and down move. So I would definitely suggest you kind of use both of these in a sense, and if they're both aligned, it could be a potential good entry for a long, could be potential good entry for a short. So that's the VWAP and climatic up and down move. Really important indicators to keep an eye out on for when you're using this tool. Use these. Hopefully the explanation kind of gave you a better understanding of how to use the filters for here and better use the actual indicator itself. So I hope you guys loved this video, and if you do, make sure to drop a like down below or comment down below. We'll be making more in the future, so thank you.